Katie doing? Who cares?
You even
Oh,
said
she's
it.
upstairs.
You said it. You said it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Rewind it again. I can't laugh so I can hear what I say.
No,
You said it. You even said it. Who
we'll do
cares?
it again.
Did you hear that?
Oh my god!
You say who cares?
Oh,
No,
what's
listen,
going on?
listen. I repeat what she says.
Yeah, you're like, who cares?
What is that?
She goes, who cares? Here we go. Let's see this again.
I love you. What you got? You got a cup? What's Katie doing? Who cares? Oh, she's upstairs.
Oh, she's out
She's
You
upstairs.
never listened to the whole thing.
Who cares? Wait, hold on. Oh, wait. Not far enough. Hold on.
Holy shit.
Don't forget that there. Oh, it does. I love you. What you got?
Two.
A duck.
You got a cup?
I
What's
don't.
Katie doing?
A duck.
Who cares? Oh, she's upstairs.
Who cares? Oh my gosh.
How come we couldn't understand that little kid? Whoa.
What's Rock Rock doing? You don't know? He's sleeping. That's what he usually does.
I'm epic.
Pardon me, Daddy.
He's epic.
What am I doing?
Oh no.
What are you doing?
You're peeing on her.
Oh god.
What? Don't wet your hair. Tell Daddy.
Wow.
What?
Protein.
Don't drink the water.
Oh.
Why is she so damn cute?
Dad.
Dad, don't let her drink her pee. Your
No.
pee.
Ew.
Who's he?
I don't want to do that.
She's so cute. Cute little Jenna.
What's your name? Jenna.
Dad,
How old is Jenna?
Yeah, yeah.
One.
Oh.
You are so
What a
cute.
cutie, huh?
Don't drink it. It's icky. You ready to get out?
Oh no.